Namaste. Welcome to a journey through the incredible natural beauty of India. From the towering Himalayas to the tropical rainforests, India is a land like no other. This diverse tapestry of landscapes is a testament to the country's rich geography. Join us as we explore the wonders that make India a biodiversity hotspot. India's forests are teeming with life. Tigers stalk through dense jungles, elephants roam in majestic herds, and vibrant birds fill the air with their calls. But this natural wealth is under threat. In this video, we'll delve into the challenges facing India's wildlife and the efforts being made to conserve them.
Our journey begins in the north, where the mighty Himalayas pierce the sky. These majestic peaks are home to rare creatures like the snow leopard and the Himalayan tahar. Moving south, we encounter the lush Western Ghats, a mountain range parallel to India's western coast. These forests are a treasure trove of endemic species, found nowhere else on Earth. On the eastern side of India, the Eastern Ghats run along the Bay of Bengal. These ancient hills are known for their dense forests and diverse wildlife. India's coastline stretches for thousands of kilometers, encompassing a variety of ecosystems. From sandy beaches to mangrove forests, these coastal areas are teeming with life.
In the heart of India lies the Thar Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes and scrubland. Despite its harsh conditions, the Thar is home to a surprising array of life. Animals like the Indian gazelle and the desert fox have adapted to survive in this arid environment. The Thar Desert is a testament to the resilience of nature and the ability of life to thrive in even the most challenging conditions. This unique ecosystem is an integral part of India's natural heritage. It reminds us of the importance of protecting all of India's diverse landscapes.
Section 3. Islands of Biodiversity. Off the coast of mainland India lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a tropical paradise. These islands are home to pristine rainforests, coral reefs, and a unique array of wildlife. The Nicobar pigeon, with its vibrant plumage, is just one example of the island's endemic species. Further south, in the Lakshadweep Sea, lie the Lakshadweep Islands. These coral atolls are renowned for their marine biodiversity, attracting divers and snorkelers from around the world. These islands are a reminder of the importance of protecting India's marine ecosystems. They showcase the interconnectedness of life on land and in the sea. Section 1. A tapestry of green. India's forests are as diverse as its landscapes, each with its own unique charm and ecological significance. In the Western Ghats and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, tropical rainforests reign supreme. These emerald green wonderlands are characterized by their dense canopies, high rainfall, and incredible biodiversity. Imagine walking through these forests, surrounded by towering trees draped in vines, the air thick with humidity, and the sounds of exotic birds. Moving towards central India, the landscape shifts to deciduous forests, where trees shed their leaves during the dry season. Here, mighty teak and sal trees stand tall, providing valuable timber and supporting a rich ecosystem. These forests are home to iconic predators like tigers and leopards, their stripes and spots blending seamlessly with the dappled shadows of the forest floor. The deciduous forests are a symphony of colors, from the vibrant greens of the monsoon season to the warm hues of autumn.
Section 2. Where sunlight filters through. Venturing into the arid regions of Rajasthan and Gujarat, we encounter thorn forests and scrublands. Don't be fooled by their seemingly barren appearance, for these ecosystems are teeming with life that has adapted to the harsh conditions. Thorny acacia trees and hardy shrubs dominate the landscape, providing sustenance and shelter to a variety of creatures. The blackbuck, with its striking spiral horns, is a common sight in these regions, gracefully navigating the thorny undergrowth. As we ascend the slopes of the Himalayas, we enter the realm of montane and alpine forests. Here, the vegetation changes dramatically with altitude, from coniferous forests of pine and deodar to alpine meadows carpeted with wildflowers. These forests are home to the elusive snow leopard, the sure-footed Himalayan tahr, and a variety of bird species that have adapted to the thin air and cold temperatures. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine needles and the sound of wind whistling through the valleys.
Along India's extensive coastline, where rivers meet the sea, lie mangrove forests, the guardians of our shores. These unique ecosystems thrive in saltwater and intertidal zones, forming a vital barrier against coastal erosion and providing breeding grounds for numerous marine species. The Sundarbans, located in the Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta, are the largest mangrove forests in the world, renowned for their rich biodiversity and the majestic Royal Bengal tiger that roams their waterways. Imagine gliding through the tranquil waters of the Sundarbans, surrounded by the tangled roots of mangrove trees, their branches alive with birds and the air filled with the calls of unseen creatures. From the lush rainforests of the Western Ghats to the arid scrublands of Rajasthan and the intricate network of mangrove forests along the coast, India's forests are a testament to the country's remarkable biodiversity. These forests not only provide us with essential resources like timber, fuelwood, and medicinal plants, but also play a crucial role in regulating our climate, conserving water, and supporting a vast array of life forms. Protecting these forests is not just an environmental imperative, but also essential for the well-being of present and future generations. India is truly a land of majestic creatures, and among them, the big cats reign supreme. The Bengal tiger, an apex predator, embodies power and grace. Its distinctive orange and black stripes camouflage it perfectly in the dappled sunlight filtering through the forest canopy. Imagine a silent stork, muscles rippling beneath its magnificent coat, before it unleashes its lightning-fast reflexes in a display of raw power. These magnificent creatures are found in forests and mangrove swamps across India, with significant populations in central India and the Sundarbans. In the western state of Gujarat, the Gir forest provides sanctuary to the last remaining population of Asiatic lions. Slightly smaller than their African counterparts, these lions sport a distinctive, shorter mane, and their roars echo through the dry, deciduous forests they call home. Efforts to conserve these endangered creatures have been largely successful, with their numbers steadily increasing in recent years. Glimpsing a pride of Asiatic lions amidst the teak forests of Gir is a truly awe-inspiring experience. No exploration of India's wildlife would be complete without encountering its gentle giants, the elephants. These intelligent and social creatures roam the forests and grasslands of India in herds, their presence shaping the landscape around them. The Indian elephant, slightly smaller than its African cousin, is recognizable by its smaller ears and less prominent tusks. Watching a herd of elephants move through the forest, their massive feet treading silently on the forest floor, is an unforgettable experience. In the northeastern state of Assam, the Kaziranga National Park stands as a testament to successful conservation efforts. Here, amidst the tall grasslands and wetlands, the one-horned rhinoceros, a creature that has roamed the earth for millions of years, finds sanctuary. Their prehistoric appearance, with their armor-like skin and single horn, belies their gentle nature. Kaziranga's success story is a beacon of hope, demonstrating that with dedicated conservation efforts, even critically endangered species can rebound. India's forests and wetlands come alive with the sights and sounds of a remarkable diversity of birds. From the vibrant plumage of peacocks displaying their magnificent trains to the raucous calls of hornbills echoing through the canopy. The avian world of India is a symphony of colors and sounds. Migratory birds flock to India's wetlands during the winter months, their arrival transforming these landscapes into a bird watcher's paradise. Imagine standing on the edge of a lake, the air filled with the calls of thousands of birds, their reflections shimmering on the water's surface. But India's wildlife is not just about the charismatic megafauna. The reptilian and amphibian world is equally fascinating, with a diverse array of snakes, lizards, crocodiles, and frogs inhabiting various ecosystems. The king cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world, reigns supreme in the Western Ghats, its impressive size and deadly venom inspiring both awe and fear. In the murky depths of rivers like the Chambal, the Gharial, a critically endangered crocodilian with its long, slender snout, perfectly adapted for catching fish, makes its home.
Recognizing the immense value of its natural heritage, India has established a vast network of protected areas. These sanctuaries of hope stand as a testament to India's commitment to conservation. From the Himalayas to rainforests and deserts, each area harbours unique species and ecosystems. These areas preserve the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Some protected areas stand out for their iconic inhabitants and conservation success stories.
Venturing into the Sundarbans National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in West Bengal, we enter the realm of the Royal Bengal tiger. This unique ecosystem is home to a tiger population uniquely adapted to life in the mangroves. The Sundarbans are a testament to the adaptability of nature. Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan, once a hunting ground for the Maharajas, is now a haven for tigers. The park's diverse landscape provides ample prey for the tigers. Behind the scenes, a dedicated force of forest guards and conservationists work tirelessly. They face numerous challenges, from combating poaching to mitigating climate change. Their passion drives them to protect India's incredible biodiversity. These unsung heroes are the true guardians of the wild.
India has a long history of conservation, rooted in its cultural and spiritual heritage. From ancient scriptures to community-based practices, respect for nature is ingrained in Indian society. India has strengthened its conservation efforts, protecting wildlife and habitats. Project Tiger, launched in 1973, revived India's tiger population. Project Elephant, started in 1992, protects wild elephants and their corridors. The Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 provides a legal framework for protecting India's wildlife. These initiatives show India's commitment to conserving its natural heritage for future generations.
Despite commendable efforts, India's natural heritage faces numerous challenges in the 21st century. The shadow of progress falls heavily on the natural world, as development and urbanization exert pressure on forests and ecosystems. Deforestation for timber, agriculture, and infrastructure fragments wildlife habitats, pushing species closer to the brink. Once contiguous forests are now fragmented, making it difficult for wildlife to thrive. Human settlements encroach on forests, leading to human-wildlife conflict. Leopards venturing into urban areas for food highlight the delicate balance between humans and wildlife.
Adding to these challenges is the looming threat of climate change, which is already impacting India's ecosystems. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events are disrupting the delicate balance of nature, affecting everything from plant and animal life cycles to the availability of water resources. The receding glaciers of the Himalayas, the lifeblood of India's major rivers, are a stark reminder of the profound impacts of climate change. Protecting India's natural heritage in the face of these challenges requires a paradigm shift in our approach to development. The future of India's wildlife and forests hinges on our ability to forge a path of sustainable development, where economic progress goes hand in hand with environmental conservation. Empowering local communities, who are the true custodians of India's natural heritage, is crucial for the success of any conservation effort. By involving them in conservation initiatives, providing them with alternative livelihoods, and recognising their traditional knowledge, we can create a sense of ownership and responsibility towards protecting nature. Promoting sustainable tourism practices that minimise the impact on ecosystems while providing economic benefits to local communities can also play a vital role in conservation.
As we've journeyed through India's diverse landscapes, from the towering Himalayas to the vibrant coral reefs, we've witnessed the incredible beauty and resilience of nature. But we've also seen the challenges that threaten this natural heritage: deforestation, human-wildlife conflict, and the looming threat of climate change. The future of India's wildlife and forests rests in our hands. It's a shared responsibility, demanding a collective effort from individuals, communities, and governments. We must embrace sustainable practices, reduce our ecological footprint, and advocate for policies that prioritize conservation. Let's draw inspiration from India's rich tradition of respecting nature, where every creature, big or small, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. By protecting our forests, safeguarding our wildlife, and addressing the challenges of climate change, we're not just preserving our natural heritage. We're ensuring a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. Let's join hands to keep India's wild spirit alive, for it's in the heart of the wild that the soul of India truly resides.